song for our heroes because it talks about a type of seaweed on the island of Kauai, and it's only found on the island of Kauai in all the world. It's called the paha paha. The paha paha is unique in that after you harvest it from the sea and you dry it out, it can be brought back to life if you place it back into the seawater. So we liken that to a heart that's been broken. Sometimes you think like you'll never love again. And if you're lucky, you meet someone that teaches you how and brings your heart back to life. It's this song called Mili Mili. Mili mili kale nimu paha paha hola hoi mai ula imi na kala nai nai mai kuni ai ke ai lale lele o makana o miri miri nakana pelo i le hua hao he loa I ka hana ke aloha I miri miri nakana pelo I ka ono hina Luelo I ka mela o ka lea Moku ia kane hapua Ili ia ka lea Thank you guys.
Mahalo.